Hello, dear students. I am Samir Velankar. I welcome all of you to the second video on infix, prefix, and postfix expressions. We will learn what is meant by expression tree in this video. Now, actually, expression tree, is nothing but binary tree. Check these two words. I have not written binary search tree. Be careful. It is a binary tree which stores the expressions. Now, any expression can be expressed in the form of binary tree, and that binary tree is called as expression tree. Before we read the definitions, let's see with an example what is an expression tree. Suppose we are given an infix expression and we want to represent that infix expression in the form of expression tree. Now the infix expression given is a plus b into c. Let's try to draw a binary tree. Now you all know that b into c has highest priority in this. So we will represent b into c in the form of binary tree. How exactly? First, let us take b into c. Now we make a node of the binary tree and store b in it. And we make another node of a binary tree and store c in it. Now you all know b and c are nothing but operands, isn't it? B and c are operands. Then the node which stores operand like b or the node which stores operand like c is always a leaf node. That means whenever you will create a node and store operand in it, we will make left pointer and right pointer as null. I don't have to tell you that as this is a binary search tree, every node will have two pointers, left and right, and data. Data here is operand like b. Similarly, c is also an operand, so it will be leaf. Left and right pointer of c will be null. And we have got in b into c, we have got operator into, that is multiply. Then we will make a node of a binary tree and store operator in that node. Now, any node which stores operator is always a non-leaf node. That means it will have children, child node. Now, the left pointer of multiply will point to B and right pointer of multiply will point to C. Now, observe so carefully before you come to a conclusion. Left pointer of multiply will point to B, not C, because in the infix, B is to the left of right pointer of multiply will point to C, because C is on the right of multiply. So this part isn't it a binary tree? Yes, it is a binary tree. But be careful, it is not binary search tree, isn't it? Because we have not done any ordering less than greater than here. But it is still a binary tree. Okay. And such a tree is called expression tree. Let's proceed. Now we have A plus B into C. And B into C is already converted as follows. here A into B plus C minus D upon E. You have converted A into B into binary tree, E upon E into binary tree. Now addition and subtraction are pending. So you will perform addition. What are you supposed to add? You are supposed to add result of A into B with C. Just be careful about this. Otherwise, you will directly make an add node and you will attach it to the left and right. This will be so wrong. This will be wrong because then A into B will be added with D upon E, which is wrong. A into B should be added with C, isn't it? I hope you are understanding. So, so what is going to be the result now? What we will get? Let's see. This is this is A into B, isn't it? We already done this. This has to be added with C. So let's make a node C. It will be leaf because it is open. And A into B, this is A into B, has to be added with C. Check this. So the plus, the operator should be non-leaf and left of plus should be pointing to A into B and right of plus should be pointing to C. It's so simple. So now we have got A into B plus C. Check this. A into B plus C has been done in the form of expression tree, and what is pending is minus D upon E. Notice D upon E also has been done in the form of expression tree. What is D upon E? It is D E connected with upon. Now what's pending is this is D upon E. Now what's pending is A into B plus C is to be subtracted with D upon E. So these two trees will be connected with minus. Left of minus will point to A into B plus C. Right of minus will point to D upon E. And this is the expression tree that we have got for the given infix. Just perform pre-order and post-order, you will get postfix and prefix notations. I am not performing it, but it is confirmed that if you do post-order, then you will get A, B star, C plus D, E slash minus, which is nothing but postfix. And if you do pre-order, you will get minus plus star A, B, C slash D, E, which is nothing but prefix notation of the given infix. All right, let us take one more example before we shut down this video. We are given bracketed expression. Some brackets are there here. So you all know that bracket has to be solved first. So you will convert A plus B into a binary tree. A is a leaf, it's an operand. B is a leaf, it's an operand. Connected using plus. This is A plus B. Further, you will do C minus D. So C, D, because that's in the bracket. So you are doing this with minus. And you will do E plus F also, isn't it? It's also in the bracket. So E, F plus. Now what? Now multiply and slash remain. You will do multiply first because it comes first from left, isn't it? So you have multiply. Multiply. What are you supposed to multiply? Check that. You are supposed to multiply A plus B. A plus B is multiplied with C minus D. So left of plus will point to A plus B and right of plus will point to C minus D. And now you have done a plus b into c minus d. You're finished with this. This entire thing is this portion. All of you agree? This portion. Now this has to be divided. Check this left. Left will point to multiply with with e plus f. This has to be divided with e plus f. So this is the expression tree that we get. Very simple, isn't it? So any expression can be represented in the form of expression trees. More and more example we will see in the coming videos. Thank you very much.